Crayola invites you to celebrate creativity. Welcome to Create to Learn projects. Let's write with intention.
Hi, I'm James.
And I'm Maya. I have questions about how writers and illustrators plan and organize their ideas.
Artists and authors are very intentional when they create. That means they focus on a main idea and map out a plan. You can be an intentional artist and author too, using the intentional writing framework to create something original. You will need paper, scissors, metallic markers, crayons, colored pencils, Colors of the World crayons, and Colors of the World markers.
Respond. So what will we write about?
Authors often find inspiration in personal or historical events, or the art that other artists have created. Look at this painting of the March on Washington, a protest where people came together to address injustice. Art like this can inspire many different types of writing.
Create. So how does the intentional writing framework work?
It helps plan what will be written and illustrated. Let's start with intent. Decide what main idea you want to communicate. This art inspired me to write about social justice and the sense of unity people felt. The next choice you make is your audience. Who are you writing to and for? I'm going to write to my family, imagining that I'm at the march and they are home excited for me. Your next decision is what voice will you use? There are three main voices. An emotional voice uses emotions like fear, frustration, and hope. I feel proud to speak up for human rights. A logical voice focuses on facts like numbers or percentages. A credible voice might quote leaders who agree or support a cause. I will use an emotional voice to share my hopefulness. Now it's time to make your final choice, genre. There's so many to choose from. I'm going to illustrate and write a picture because I'm imagining joining a protest and updating those at home.
Present.
My illustration is influenced by this painting. It was created by Adriana, who was inspired by Martin Luther King Jr. You could use any genre, make a poster, a song, or a diary entry. When your work is finished, share it with family and friends.
Connect. Can I use the intentional writing framework to write other things?
Yes, it's a great tool that can help you plan all sorts of writing, from science sketch journals to drama skits about historical events. When you write and illustrate, you are making intentional decisions about your main idea, your audience, voice, and genre. That's why the intentional writing framework is so useful.